to like, share, and subscribe. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're stepping into the heart of the home, the kitchen, to explore simple yet charming winter decor ideas that will effortlessly infuse warmth and rustic elegance into your space. Let's dive into the coziness of winter-inspired kitchen decor. Rustic winter greens. Fill your kitchen with rustic charm by incorporating winter greens and elements like an olive bucket filled with garland, creating a simple yet inviting atmosphere. Farmhouse corner. Utilize a corner space with an olive bucket, a lamp, a rustic sign, and charming mugs, forming a cozy farmhouse corner that radiates winter vibes. Sink-side elegance. Enhance the area around your sink with a metal container, decorative soaps, and another olive bucket filled with festive greens, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Stovetop wreath. Hang a wreath above the stove, bringing winter cheer without sacrificing functionality. Perfect for those who use the stove daily. Antique scale display. Showcase candlesticks and winter greens on a giant antique scale for a unique and vintage-inspired winter display from the Target dollar spot. DIY light fixtures. Illuminate your kitchen with DIY light fixtures and a custom-made kitchen sign, adding a personal touch to your winter decor. Mini trees everywhere. Sprinkle mini trees or bottle brush trees throughout your kitchen, creating a winter wonderland that doesn't overwhelm the space. Natural elements. Infuse natural elements like pine cones, twigs, or birch accents into your decor for an earthy and soothing winter kitchen ambience. Hot cocoa bar. Elevate your kitchen experience by creating a hot cocoa bar, complete with all the cozy essentials for those chilly winter days. Glass jars display. Utilize open shelving or above kitchen cabinets to showcase glass jars filled with winter-inspired decor, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. Table runner elegance. Lay out a winter-themed table runner to instantly transform your dining area, creating a cohesive and stylish winter kitchen look. Cozy aromas. Get cozy with winter kitchen decor by incorporating scented candles or essential oils, filling the air with delightful fragrances. Festive wreaths everywhere. Hang festive winter wreaths in unexpected places, like cabinet handles or the backs of chairs, spreading holiday cheer throughout the kitchen. Tiered tray delight. Use a tiered tray to display various winter-themed items, creating a cozy and organized focal point in your kitchen. Adorable fairy lights. Sprinkle adorable fairy lights around your kitchen for a whimsical and festive touch that instantly lifts the spirits. We hope these simple yet delightful winter kitchen decor ideas inspire you to infuse a bit of warmth and seasonal charm into your culinary haven. Don't forget to subscribe for more cozy home inspirations. And until next time, happy decorating!